Hi guys, welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. What are we cooking today? We are cooking rice and beans concoction rice. This is my vegetable oil, a bit of slide onions. I'm going to allow it to get oil for some minutes, and this is my mixed pepper. We're adding our thyme, yes, and this is nutmeg. Our nutmeg, and we're adding a mix of garlic and ginger together. And let's add our cube, our chicken cube. I'm using not chicken cube. And the next thing is grounded crayfish, yes, and the next thing is our boiled fish, yes. As you can see, it's getting cooked, and the next thing is our rice, and next is our parboiled beans, yes. And we're going to add a bit of salt to cook, and we cover it to allow it to cook for some minutes. Before you know it, wow, try this type of rice and beans tastes better, yeah. Wow, you know, when you like, okay, I'm tired of jollof rice, white rice, fried rice, let's just to cook something different. Yes, the taste is everything, even the smells. Thank you guys, I love you, bye.